all rows by a specific column. It's often used with aggregate functions, such as the sum function, max, min, average, count, just to name a few. For my example, I have a table of transactions. Now, if you've been following along in my video series, I did add an additional column named order date and filled in a few dates, as well as 2 additional rows. If you would like to follow along, I would recommend pausing the video, adding a new column for order date, add these order dates, then add 2 additional rows. That's all the data that we'll need in this topic. Now, our boss, Mr. Krabs, he needs us to tell him how much money he made per day. What is the sum of all of the amounts per day? We have 3 different dates: January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd. What is the sum of every amount on these days? So we can use the group by clause. That would help us. We will select the sum of every amount. As a column, we will also display the order date from transactions. Then we will group by, we are grouping by our order date. Group by order date column. Yeah, look at that, there we are. Here's the sum of every amount that is grouped by these dates. Here's the total amount we made January 1st, the total amount January 2nd, the total amount January 3rd. Let's try a different function. How about the max function? What was the maximum amount on each day? These are the maximum transactions that have occurred on these dates. What about min? These are the minimum amounts grouped by order date. What's the average order every day? Here are the averages. Maybe count.